So here's a new trending app. It's called BeautyCam AI photo editor. As you can see, it's kind of climbing to the top charts. I think this is Chinese app, but it has a lot of really cool presets and templates, and it's really an advanced app. I think one of the best AI editor apps right now. So you can use it for many options like transform your photos, highlight your natural beauty, discover the power of advanced technology to effortlessly create stunning visuals. BeautyCam puts professional level tools at your fingertips. Multiple camera models replicate the charm of DSLRs, iPhone cam, and film cameras. Par detection enhances your natural features for a polished yet authentic look. Various portrait styles allow you to achieve professional studio results. So Digicam, DSLR camera, photo booth, iPhone cam. There are a lot of AI tools in one app, like literally dozens. AI wardrobe, AI removal, AI expansion, AI slimming, AI expressions, HD quality restoration, smart background removal, vibrant filters, vibe light, and all of the things like that. And then yeah, you can just open it up, and then yeah, unfortunately there are a lot of ads in here. You can see it in here. There is also some free trial option if you want to upgrade. 7-day free trial if you try it yearly for $50. And then yeah, here you have all of these different filters. So first of all, you can just use it as a camera. So you can just use it as a camera. You can use it as natural. You can use it as a lot of these vintage old cameras. So then you can use it like as a digicam, and then this is basically the idea where you have all of these like dozens of retro cameras, and you can also use it for video and stuff like that. iPhone cam, then you can just literally take photos and just adjust all the filters right from your photo camera. So it's not that you just can upload photos, you can also just take photos, and when you're taking photos, you're changing that. Yeah, so that's the idea. And then you can see here in drop down all these amazing filters: AI wardrobe, vibe light, AI retouch, collage, AD photos, AI video effects, AI expand, all of these AI filters literally in one app. And in addition to that, then also in another tab, you have this kind of AI art where you can just generate photos from prompts. So that's the app, very powerful. You can use it a lot in a lot of ways. So yeah, that's about it. So try it out. You can use it for free with some free credits, but then you can upgrade. It's still kind of on the cheaper side. So a nice new app.